Wait, give him time to pass it. Okay.
Say hands up.
Hands up. Oh, that was good. I didn't even hear the penny.
Oh, she got it on the first
No
try.
way. She got it. She found the penny on the first try, and we didn't even hear.
You did so good.
That was lucky. All right.
You did it.
So what game is this, guys?
Hands up, hands down.
Hands up, hands down. Was that fun?
Yeah. How did you do
You
that?
did so good, Kaylee. I didn't even hear it.
Let's did this. Let's
Yeah.
do it again, but